Vlogmas 2020.
One.
On I'm swaggy, it's just one of many. Sit down and enjoy the video because it's free and I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making an introduction for Vlogmas because I see everybody else doing it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Or whatever. As you guys can hear, the Dakar is pulling off. Okay, so to close out this Vlogmas video, I'm going to do a cost breakdown of how I owned the Dakar for free, but also made $6,500 in a year off owning it. I could have actually made $7,000, but I gave the person a deal. I shouldn't have. That's one thing I need to do. I need to stop giving people so many deals because I could have. Anyhow, that's neither here nor there. But so initially I bought the car for $2,500. And with the car, I also purchased a set of wheels for $750. And then what I did that because I wanted to offset the cost of buying the car and the trip and everything like that. I'm not going to include the trip and shipping because that's literally only $450. The round trip flight was like $94. Shipping the car was like $350. But I've also made that back in other little things from the car. But so again, I bought the car for $2,500. I bought a set of wheels for $750. So that is $3,250. I sold the car for $4,000. I bought a 6-speed swap kit. I was around $2,500 into that. I sold that for $3,300. The 3-piece wheels that I got for $750, I sold for $1,700. The 6-speed swap and the 3-piece wheels, I got $800 profit off the 6-speed swap. Then I made $950 off the 3-piece wheels. Then the Red Vader interior that was in the car originally, if I can find a picture, I'll put it up here somewhere. But I sold that for $2,500. I just listed it at that price. I did not think I was going to get it. And everybody was there, kiki on the post. A guy from Canada messaged me, you can take this down. I'll come pick it up right now. I did not think that he was being serious. He literally, like 8 hours later, his wife, and I believe he had like 2 little kids with him sleeping in the car. They came, picked it up, and bought it for $2,500. I was originally expecting to only get like $1,200 from it, $1,500, but he bought it for $2,500. And then I also bought that Airlift 3P kit. I spent $1,500, and I sold it for $2,250. That's $750 profit. If you total all those things up, and I'll see if I can do like a little math thingy, like the whatever plus whatever plus whatever plus, it'll be $6,500. It may be a little more, it may be a little less, but it's somewhere around $6,500. Things just ended up offsetting each other, and this is just what I got from like the brunt of owning this car for a year. And one thing I do wish is that, one, I sold the car for $4,500, which I could have done and I should have done, but you know what? I was like, screw it. I did that because I was trying to get another vehicle, and it ended up selling. So look at that. I just wasted $500. But another thing is, I wish that I wasn't so scared with my money, because I also had like plenty of other opportunities to buy e36s, and like the silver one, which I didn't sleep on because I knew I would make good money off that. Another like $6,500, but that one was in 3 months. Yeah, like, I just need to stop being so scared with my money and stop being so inclined to give people deals, and just, one, sell for my price because people will pay it, and 2, anytime I see a deal, I just need to go for it. I should have learned my lesson from the Porsche when I was going to buy it for like $27,500, and now that exact same one, the person who bought it resold it for like $52,000 or something like that. and just a whole bunch of other things. But you know what? Good things come to those who wait. We hope. But you know, got to just speak positivity into the air. And I'm going to get one of the vehicles that I was looking at. I'm going to get a good price on it. It's going to work out. And from now, anytime I see a deal, if I can afford it, I'm going to get it, because I already know I can. Anything I buy, I can sell. It may take a little while, but usually it doesn't. The Dakar basically sold instantly. The parts basically sold instantly, and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you too can buy cars, hold them, flip them, and do whatever. Like, there's plenty of ways to make money.